guys! Welcome sa ako ang pinakauna nga cooking video, pinaka-first cooking video. For today's episode, ako ang ipakita ninyo on how to cook sweetened kangkong adobo with pineapple. So, mao pa rin siya ako ang pinaka-first time nga mag-cook kangkong apan-apan with pineapple, okay? So, anyway, there are two types of kangkong, I think. And ang kangkong ako ang gamiton kay kani. Ang leaves, ano nga kangkong kay very short. Tapos, we have kangkong, Chinese kangkong. Ang leaves, ano kay very long. Okay? Pero kanila ako ang gamiton pag-cook. Okay? So, please subscribe to my channel or please watch this kung okay lang. Okay, thank you and please watch my cooking tutorial. Thank you.
They say the most important part of our is preparation, and that is the same in cooking. You need to prepare all the necessary ingredients before cooking. The very first step is putting cooking oil on the preheated pan and adding the garlic. Make sure you crush and slice the garlic if you don't want to get choked later. You don't want your onions to turn black, so you need to make sure you set it to low heat. You can also add your onions last, but that won't make the dish smell good unless you are cooking beef stick in Tagalog. Now it's time you mix sugar and pineapple juice. Cook kangkong stems or shoots because they are a bit tough. It's time you add the juice and sugar. In this process, make sure you don't put too much liquid or else it will turn into a soup instead of adobo. It's time we cook the kangkong leaves or water spinach. Why is it called water spinach? It's because it is grown in water or swamp. The kangkong is almost cooked now and you can see the steam. We covered the kangkong leaves lately so it will be cooked quickly. The most important liquid seasoning in a Filipino kitchen is soy sauce. Okay, so it's also important to add salt. Do you know that your body only needs 1/4 teaspoon of salt per day? Also, adobo always has soy sauce in its ingredients, just like the popular Filipino dish called chicken adobo. If you want to spice up your food, you can add a little amount of ground black pepper. Finally, it's cooked now, but it's not yet time to eat. We need to cook the pineapple chunks later. Also, do you know the nutrients of kangkong are almost similar to milk and banana? In this stage, you don't need to put oil because the sugar will just melt and become oxidized later. It's time to put the pineapple chunks one by one. Also, you can put all of them in one go once the sugar has caramelized. You can also opt to cook pineapple together with kangkong leaves. I only separate the pineapple chunks to give it a brownish color and caramel flavor. It's time to give the kangkong a style by putting pineapples and chilies. The kangkong is not spicy though. I just put chili as a decoration. It's up to if you want to make it spicy by crushing the chilies using your fingers. It's time to eat the kangkong and taste my cooking. In this last part, please don't focus on my face on my face because I forgot to put on makeup. If you like this video, please hit like button, and if you don't like my video, please do not hit dislike. Thank you so much for watching the whole video, and I appreciate your time. Please subscribe too if you haven't yet. Thank you.